Hi, thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. Well, we're walking in a chef's garden. There's some echinacea that will be used for some tea and some miniature tomatoes and poppies, and everything here is used in some way for medicinal or nourishing purposes. And in the background, you can hear, I think we're coming to the hen house. There they are. So today's nature walk brings us to a farm and actually a chef's garden. And here we can see who's here. Interesting, when they feel my presence, they get quiet. So they probably know that I'm not supposed to be here so that they can have a little more privacy. And here we have lots of sage. Gives us such an appreciation when we see food growing and being harvested at just the right moment. All these sunflowers. So I just wanted to share with you this moment of having gratitude for the food that we eat and for the people who grow it and the people who prepare it. And so when we have our next meal, we really take a moment and understand where it came from and how many people were involved in creating that for us. So thanks for joining me on a nature walk talk. And I'll leave you with this image of these beautiful plants growing. There's some peppers. You'll see. It's an interesting looking kale plant, I must say. Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. Bon appetit.